If you are struggling to get your Telegram verification code, just like myself, and now you want to contact Telegram that you are not getting Telegram verification code, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So the first thing you want to do when you want to contact Telegram that you are not getting the Telegram verification code to create your account, whether an existing account or old account, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Telegram application. Then here, you'll be prompted to type in your phone number. Then select your country code. I am a Nigerian, so once you selected that, then type in your number. Then click on continue. Then continue again. By default, Telegram is supposed to send you a verification code to verify your Telegram account and then create your Telegram account. But in the case where you did not receive the Telegram verification code, all you just need to do is go ahead and click on did not get the code. Then you're going to see part that says you want to contact Telegram with no code, and this is the phone number where I do not get the code. Then here you can see my phone number is, so this is the phone number where the Telegram verification code is not coming in. So you can change this phone number if in your own case it is not the phone number I want to use on Telegram. Then you can see I can't get an activation code for my Telegram account. So you can just come here and add for my Telegram account. So, and then scroll down, I'm gonna see Telegram, the device. You can see my device is iPhone and I'm currently on iOS 18.3. Then this is the name of my account. Then the next thing is go ahead and click on the send button at top right to contact Telegram. Then once you hit the send button, that particular message will be sent to Telegram and Telegram will contact you personally, sending you the verification code to fix your Telegram account that do not receive verification code. So that is basically how you can contact Telegram when you do not receive the verification code to create your account. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.